GM everyone, and welcome back with a new episode of Investing Analysis. First of all, congratulations to all of you who had been listening to me, who had been following me on X, Telegram, or even if you listen to my daily investing analysis. I had been continuously warning you not to buy the fuck out from this specific area because we have some clusters of liquidations below current price. That was my main concerning target for the very short term. And last night you can see we had some FOMO longs before the CME futures market open, and that formed some sort of double top at this specific area, and then price we reverted back down and took out the liquidity at 76,800. That was my main target from the last 2 days. As far for the war room is concerned, it was a really profitable day for the war room subscribers. And also, before this specific drop, before the CME futures market open, Ethereum was leading BTC. And my war room subscribers know whenever Ethereum leads BTC in the very short term and specifically on the weekend, that is basically a very reversal sign. And also, we took some scalp longs today, targeted this minute 15 gap and made 1.5 R from that specific trade, right? As far as stuff for now is concerned, you can see price is just trading below its key low. And if you get inside daily time frame, that is my main concerning, very concerning bias for today. Because if this daily candle closes below this specific low, $77,000, that is a bearish signal for you that price wants to get below current price and take out the liquidity at this imbalance, right? So we'll be monitoring today's daily close very closely, very carefully, because it should not close its daily candle below $77,000 specifically. Still, we have 6.3 hours from now. It should get back above this specific area, and any chop at these areas is fine. Is bullish for BTC to grind up and take out the liquidity for our midterm targets above GLI fair value gap, right? So as far as stuff for the very short term is concerned, you can see price just filled 75% of its gap from the 22nd of April, which is perfectly fine, leaving out inefficiencies areas above current price. You can see some short term move from rejection from this specific imbalance and take out the liquidity at this area. Closes its daily candle at $77,000, and again it can grind up higher, right? So as far as stuff for now is concerned, you should wait for the daily candle close before trading, right? As far as stuff for other altcoins, specifically for Solana is concerned, I'm still inside this long trade. As far as its daily candle remains above this specific area 84.2 or 84.3, I will maintain my long trade, right? If this daily candle closes below this area, I will cut it all in almost 0.5 or 0.6. But so far it looks good. It looks good to go higher and take out the liquidity above these highs if this daily candle closes above 84.3, right? As far as stuff for your BTC dominance and Ethereum ETH BTC is concerned, you should mainly focus on Bitcoin at this specific moment, because you can see Bitcoin is above its key resistance level and it's acting as a support for now. And again, our main target for the very midterm is above current price towards 85 or $90,000, and the first leg would be from Bitcoin. So right now your main focus should be Bitcoin, because retailers do something that's really crazy. They just ignore Bitcoin while it's pumping and they just dive into altcoins and shitcoins. But alt and shitcoins don't move like Bitcoin moves at the beginning, right? And they just simply hope for it to go higher, right? As far as ETH BTC remains below this key area, below it, I won't buy any altcoin in my portfolio. Right now, my portfolio is majority allocated from Bitcoin at this specific moment. I will buy alts, specifically Ethereum and low caps also, if this ETH BTC ratio flips this area. That would be my target. But for now, the first rally would be on BTC, so you should mainly focus on Bitcoin at this specific moment. As far as stuff for USDT dominance is concerned, you can see it's again and again taking support from this retail order block. And once this specific order block gets loses, the ultimate target would be this weekly gap and this support resistance flip. Things are looking good in the medium term, but in the very short term, you should mainly focus on Bitcoin's daily close tonight, how it closes, right? I will update the setup inside my X as well Telegram, so make sure to join me there. As far as stuff on chain is concerned, we have positive fundings, which is fine because I updated this funding this morning. A lot of positions were opened above 78,000 for longs, and this positive fundings were from those specific longs which are now wiped out. They should refresh and get back at least towards neutral or negative, but I will update that setup inside my Discord. As far other on-chain metrics is concerned, you can see short-term MVRV is just sitting at the borderline before it breaks out and prints out some massive liquidity in the very midterm. So again, it is bullish, but you should wait for the price to flip this red STH cost basis, and then that would be a bullish sign for short-term MARV in the very midterm, right? As for other on-chain metrics is concerned, we have shorts liquidation dominance regime coming down nicely. That is a bullish sign for BTC, right? So I guess that's enough for today. Make sure to manage your trades, manage your positions with proper risk management and through proper systematic approach, right? Thanks for watching.